Hello children, today in this video we are going to start with the new topic of computer, that is types of network. Now what is a network and what are its different types, that we are going to study in this video. Now first is, what is network? So a network is a group of interconnected devices which can communicate easily. Means a group of interconnected means connected with each other. A group of interconnected devices means many devices which are interconnected with each other, means connected with each other. That particular group of network, it is a network. Why we need to establish this network? The answer for that, a common answer for that, is to communicate easily. Means nowadays for the communication we are using networks, and it is really helpful to us also. Now let us see different types of network. Types of network. On the basis of physical distance, computer networks can be divided into 4 types. Base of physical distance means physically where the computers are kept as per that particular distance, as per that particular connection. This network is divided in different types. Now there are mainly 4 different types of networks. First is personal area network, that is PAN. Second is local area network, that is LAN. Third is metropolitan area network, that is MAN. And fourth one is wide area network, that is WAN. Now let us see about all these types in detail. First is personal area network, that is PAN. This PAN is the smallest computer network. The network is centered around an individual workspace. Means in a center there is a workspace or computer, and with that all the other devices are connected to it. This type of network is used for intrapersonal communication. Means intrapersonal communication means communicating between the devices like a headphone, mobile phone, scanner, mouse, printer, iPad. So to communicate or to transfer files within these devices or to use these devices, this personal area network is useful. Now if I give you a simple example, that if I want to transfer my any of the file from mobile phone to laptop or from laptop to mobile phone, then this kind of network is established. The range of establishing personal area network is between 10 and 30 meters. Means between the range of 10 to 30 meters you can establish this kind of network, that is PAN network. In PAN, devices can be connected using cables or wireless devices. Means to establish this kind of network, either you can connect the devices using the cables or it can also be wireless. The examples of wired PAN are USB and FireWire technologies, and the examples of wireless PAN are Bluetooth and infrared technologies. Second type is local area network, that is LAN. This is the most common type of network. It covers a short distance not exceeding the area of 2 to 3 square kilometer. Means its range is limited to 2 to 3 square kilometer. It can cover the network of a building or a campus, and the devices of LAN are usually connected with the cables, means with the wires. If we want to establish a network for a single person or an organization in the same building or in a same campus, then this LAN network is the ideal one, and we can get high speed network using this LAN. Third type is metropolitan area network, that is MAN. This metropolitan area network is a collection of local area networks, means LANs. It connects the devices in the area up to 100 square kilometers. Here the devices can be connected either by the cables, means by the wires, or through wireless technologies. Means here we have both the options. Either we can establish this kind of network by using the wires, or we can have wireless technologies also. This kind of network is owned by one or more organization. Means this kind of network can be established in the single organization or more than one organization. This kind of network connects the devices within the same geographical areas, like cities or towns. Means if we want to connect our all the different branches in various areas of the cities or a town, then this kind of network is useful to us. Next and last type is wide area network, that is WAN. If we want to connect several cities as well as countries, then this kind of network is useful to us. In this, the computers and devices are connected through wireless connection, like microwave system or satellite system, through long distance or under optical fibers. Means this kind of network, if we are establishing, then it covers a long distance. And also we can use optical fiber technology. Means this kind of network is the largest establishment. This kind of network are not usually owned by a single organization. Means a single organization is not able to establish this kind of network, but it can be established either by the collective ownership, means by the group of different organization, or by the management, like government of the country can establish this kind of network. We have one good example of this wide area network which we are using nowadays, that is internet. Through internet, millions of computers across the world can be connected. That is the best example of WAN. In short, we can say in personal area network, the devices are connected with a single or individual workspace, means a single computer. In local area network, the computers and devices of the same building or a same campus can be connected. In metropolitan area network, the devices within the city or town area can be connected. And in wide area network WAN, the devices and computers across the world can be connected. We have two fact files here. First is there is a computer network of different storage devices. This network is known as SAN or storage area network. Means the connection or network of different storage devices is known as SAN. Second is there is a wireless local area network called WLAN. It links the devices using a wireless distribution method. This network is limited within an office building, school, home, etc. Means the local area network LAN, which is established using the wireless technology, is known as WLAN, and in this all the devices are connected without using the wires, without using the cables, and it can connect the devices which are within the office building, within the school, or at home. My dear children, hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you.